This is Greg. He's a real estate agent. And like most agents, he gets a new listing every week. Now, most agents just post one listing and move on, but Greg does something different. He turns every single listing into weeks of local content. And today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step inside of HeyGen. Now, we already covered this in episode 3 of the SMB series, so here's a quick version. From the HeyGen homepage, just click avatars on the left sidebar, then click create avatar, and then you'll see two options. Choose the one on the left, which is a video avatar. This is going to create a realistic virtual clone of you. And when you're filming for your avatar, keep the clothes professional, keep your background clean, and make sure you have consistent lighting. The goal isn't to make a brand new, different looking character. It's a consistent version of you that the audience can recognize every time. And once it's ready, you're set up to create some content. Let's say Greg just listed a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house in Princeton for $850,000. Just open up Video Agent, upload the listing info, the property description, the key features, and even photos too, and then add this prompt to guide the output. Create a professional real estate listing video for this property. Use a confident conversational tone that feels like an experienced local real estate agent. Highlight the home's most important features naturally instead of simply listing them. Mention property type, bedrooms, bathrooms, locations, standout features, and why someone would love living here. Keep the video around 45 seconds. End with a call to action inviting viewers to schedule a showing or request more information. And remember everybody, every single prompt that I'm using in this video will be down in this video's description. But now once you add all that info, you can press generate and make your finished video. Hi there, I'm Aiden and welcome to 36 Yorkshire Woods. This beautiful 4-bed, 3-bath home is right in the heart of Montgomery Township. Inside, it's bright and open with over 2,400 square feet. The kitchen flows right into the living spaces, so it's really great for entertaining or just busy mornings. The primary suite is a total retreat, and with 4 bedrooms total, there's plenty of space for everyone. And with 3 full baths, there's no more fighting over the shower in the morning. The unfinished basement is also huge. You could do a home gym, an office, or just tons of storage. Minutes from Princeton and top schools, this one is a gem. Click below to schedule your tour today. And for most agents, this is where it ends. Post it, hope it performs, and then wait for the next listing. But this one listing is about to become so much more. Most buyers aren't just buying a house. They're buying into a neighborhood. So instead of asking for another listing video, we ask for more content ideas. So go on over to whatever AI tool you prefer and paste in this prompt. Imagine you're relocating to Princeton with your family. Based on this listing, and then you input whatever your listing info is or the link to the listing, what would somebody want to know before deciding to move here? Organize the ideas into categories like schools, restaurants, coffee shops, parks and recreation, weekend activities, shopping, commuting, cost of living, and local events. Focus on evergreen topics people search for year-round. And then we end up getting results just like this: the best coffee shops in Princeton, what it's like raising a family in Princeton, weekend activities nearby, the school districts, commuting into New York City, and average home prices. And let's just cherry pick one for this example. We'll do weekend activities. And now we can start turning it into a script. So again, we'll take this prompt right here that'll also be in the description below. Write a 45-second YouTube script about the best weekend activities in Princeton for families and young professionals. Keep the tone friendly, informative, and conversational. Position me as a knowledgeable local real estate agent without making the video feel like a sales pitch. And by asking viewers what their favorite local spot is. Now we can drop that script directly into HeyGen and generate the video. If you're spending a weekend in Princeton, there's a lot more to do than just tour homes. Start your morning by walking around Palmer Square, where you'll find local coffee shops, boutiques, and plenty of places to grab breakfast. If you're looking to get outside, take a stroll through the beautiful grounds of Princeton University or head over to Delaware and Raritan Canal State Park for a walk, run, or bike ride. In the afternoon, check out one of the local museums, catch a live performance at the McCarter Theater, or grab dinner at one of the many restaurants downtown. It's really one of the reasons so many people love calling Princeton home. What's your favorite weekend spot in Princeton? Let me know down in the comments. Same listing, but now we have a second video. And this one reaches people months before they're ready to buy. But now think about the questions buyers ask you in almost every conversation. Let's turn those into content too. So go back to your AI agent and paste in this prompt. Act like a first-time home buyer interested in this property. What questions would you naturally ask before scheduling a showing? Focus on practical questions about the buying process, financing, the local market, property taxes, timing, neighborhood, and long-term value. Return the question questions only. And then the AI is gonna spit out something like this for us. Is $850,000 a fair price for Princeton? How much money should I put down? What are property taxes like here? Is this neighborhood good for families? Should I buy now or wait? How competitive is this market? And what should I know before making an offer? And now let's just go ahead and build one of them out. We'll go with the question asking if the price is fair. So we'll take this prompt and drop it right into HeyGen. And we're gonna generate the video in HeyGen the same way as the other ones. Is $850,000 a fair price for a 4-bed, 3-bath house in Princeton? Honestly, it depends on where you look. In some spots, that's a steal. In others, you're paying a premium. Here's what drives those prices. First, schools. Princeton's top-tier education significantly boosts property value nearby. Then location. Proximity to Nassau Street or the university always commands a higher price. Market trends shift constantly, so remember, every street has its own unique story. What other home buying questions do you guys have? Drop them in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. And now we can see what we're working with. Repeat this process for every question that the AI surfaces for you, and you stop guessing what to post next. Future clients are already telling you exactly what they want to see. But now we're going to create one folder for every listing/location and drop every video generated from that property into it. We'll take a listing tour, a neighborhood guide, the best restaurants, things to do, a school district overview, commuting to New York City, market updates, buyer facts, multiple shorts, and multiple long form videos. Every new listing becomes a brand new folder, and every folder becomes its own content library. And over time, people stop following you just because you're selling homes. They follow you because you're consistently teaching them about places where they want to live. And by the time they're ready to buy, you're the agent that they already know. But now let's take a quick recap and look at everything we just talked about. We created your AI avatar in the avatar tab. We generated your listing video in Video Agent, prompted for local content ideas based off that same listing, prompted for buyer questions and to turn them into educational videos, and organize everything into a per listing folder that you're able to build on every time. And now for the full listing video walkthrough, go check out SMB episode 3. That video goes super in depth on how to make the perfect listing video. But now, are you ready to build your own content library? Try it using HeyGen down in the description below. And if this was helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for more AI workflows just like this one. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.